Hello, and welcome back to another episode of The House Honey. Thank you for watching. This is The Weekender by Dutch Housing. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys think about this adorable home, okay? Here is the exterior. Very cute. Very cute. But let's get into the inside, and first, let's take a look at this floor plan, okay? This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. All right. And just take a look. How cute is this? Not too big, not too small. The perfect size home. We're gonna get into everything, but I can see why they call this the Weekender. It really felt like a home away from home. And I'm not just saying that, okay? It fits the description. So let's just take a look at this dining room first. Right there, you've got 2 doors, patio doors. That is going to lead to a balcony or patio in the future. If you guys should want to build something like that. Let's check out the laundry room. None of the manufactured homes on this lot have any washer and dryer in them, so you kind of have to just imagine. Check out the website, like the video, subscribe to the channel. But yeah, there's a lot left for the imagination to take over with, and I kind of like that. Here is this kitchen. How beautiful is this kitchen? Oh my god, I love it. Those creamy, delicious beige countertops. Gorgeous. Against those tan cabinetry cabinets. And look at the backsplash, that crispy white. Oh, it's just so open and light and so cute. I love that kitchen. And I'm actually a fan of darker kitchens, but that one, it just took my breath away with the simple modern beauty that they put into creating that kitchen. I swear I'm not just saying that. You know, I've seen a lot of kitchens, but that one's something about it. Anyway, here's the 2nd bedroom, and that is according to the floor plan, in case you're confused. So pretty decent size. You got a decent walk-in closet. The way that it's positioned, like if you see the wall right there where the door is, it almost looks like that could be like a side office. You could use it as that, absolutely. Or a 3rd bedroom. It's got a closet. There's some storage. And here we're coming up on the first main bathroom. So you've got a double tub shower combo. Again, pretty details in this bathroom. It would have been awesome if they kept the light countertops the same way that they did in the kitchen, but they didn't. They went a little darker, and then they have a backsplash that's black. So a little different, got some variation. Not a huge fan of this one, but it's cute. It's cute. 3rd bedroom, here we go. Smaller, still cute. Little walk-in closet you got going on right there. Not furnished, you guys. I'm so sorry that all of the bedrooms are not furnished in these houses. You really have to just use your imagination. You have to imagine decor and furniture and all of that in there. But I know you guys like seeing the decor as much as I do. Trust me, I get it. It's a selling feature. It's a selling point. Trust me, I know. That's why I'm always trying to find furnished houses for you guys. Furnished. Because a huge part of this is the decor. I must admit, it is. But we're going to appreciate it anyway, because These manufactured homes are so popular. Here's the master bedroom. A little better. At least you got something going on. Closet that goes all the way across. So you have the 2 double doors. That's why it looks like that. Not a fan of that either, but still, it's nice. Here is the master bathroom. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this cute little bathroom. So in this bathroom, they look at all the storage. First of all, OMG, love all of the storage, but they decided to keep the light bright countertops with that tan pretty cabinet color. You don't have a tub, you have just a large shower with a nice window to the side. I don't know, you guys, I'd probably need a tub. I think I would probably have to have a tub in the master. But for people, if you are not a big tub person, look at the shower size. And you got 2 little stools, shelves, seating area components. And look at the pretty vanity. How cute. It's the little details that really just seal the deal for me. So let's take another look at this beautiful home. The beautiful kitchen. Look at the chandelier. Did you guys peep that? That chandelier was pretty cool. I like that a lot. Yeah. I do like this one. Definitely. Alright, you guys, check out the website. And I'll see you guys in another episode of The House Honey. Thank you. Bye.